Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start our class for 5th class science. What is our lesson name? Reproduction in plants. Let's continue our remaining topic. Reproduction through different parts of the mother plant. So how the plants are reproducing to the different parts of the mother plant. Okay, from the plant often different parts will be there. One plant stems, roots, seeds, flowers, fruits. So all the parts will be there. So from their parts how the another plant is growing. We will see in this topic. Some new plants grow from different parts of the mother plants such as roots, stems and leaves. So some new plants, how they are growing from the different parts of the mother plant. Like some are growing from the roots, some are growing from the stems and some are growing from the leaves. Okay. Now roots. From the roots how the new plant is growing we will see in this topic. Okay. Roots. A sweet potato is the root of the plant. A new plant grows from the roots of the mother plant. So how the sweet potato, can you see the have you eaten the sweet potato and can you see the sweet potato? Yes. What happened? How they are growing the new plant of the sweet potato means through the root of the sweet potato another new plants are growing. Okay. From the roots which plant? Sweet potato. Next, stems. If a piece of a stem cutting is cut from a hibiscus plant or rose plant and planted in the soil, new shoots grow from the buds present on the stem cutting. After some days, the stem cutting grows into a plant. So, from the stems how we are growing the new plants means, suppose we are cutting a hibiscus or a rose plant. We are not taking the roots of these plants, just we are taking the stems. Okay, we are taking the stems and we are then we are sowing them into a new into a new place. Again we are planting that stem in the soil. So what happened after a few days? What happened? New shoots can grow and buds will be present on the stem. On the stem cutting, after few days what happened? That stem grows into another new plant. Okay. Underground stems. Potato and ginger are underground stems. They have small buds called eyes on from which new plants grow. So have you seen underground means which are growing under the soil. Okay, under the soil only some plants are growing. That plants are called as an underground stems. Okay, like potato. How the potato is growing in the underground? The potato is growing. Ginger also an underground stem. So they have an small buds called as an eyes. Look at here. You can see here potato. So you if you can keep the potato, you can observe that 15 to 20 days you are keeping potatoes in your house. What happened? It grows into an small buds on the upper side of the potato. So that buds is called as an new that buds is called as an eyes. So because of that birds only the new plant can grow. Okay. Onion plants and lily plants have underground bulb shaped stems. New plants of onion and lily grow from these bulbs when they are planted into the soil. So how onion and lily plants are growing means under the underground bulb shape. The plants will have an bulb shaped stems. How the stems are onion and lily plants means they are like bulb shape. Because of this bulb shape the onions and lily are growing into a new plants. Next, leaves. In some plants such as bryophyllum, new plants grow from their leaves. So some plants will we are not using the roots and stems of that plants. Directly we are using the leaf of that plant. Because of that leaf only the new plant can grow. Okay, that is an bryophyllum. We can take a leaf of an bryophyllum, then we are sowing into the soil. What happened? Another new plant can grow. Okay, here types of crops we will see in the next class. I hope you understood the class, and remaining class we will continue in the next class. Your homework is write any 10 vegetable names. Okay, any what you know that any 10 vegetable names write in your notes neatly one time. Okay, thank you.